Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Wando Mount Pleasant Library. I work in young adult services out there, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 Halloween party snacks or party food that you can make to creep out all your friends and family. The first one that we're going to make are bloody hot dog fingers. All you need is some hot dog buns, some ketchup, and of course the hot dogs. But I've already put some in the microwave, so I'll go grab those and I'll show you how to make them. So it's a pretty simple process. This is a hot dog I've just cooked. It's still warm from the microwave. So what we're going to do is mark out a fingernail or a spot for a fingernail and then 2 knuckles. So you just get a sharp knife and don't cut too deeply, but just enough to take off that top layer. So we'll just mark out the fingernail. Ugh, it's kind of fleshy. Try not to cut off your real fingers. Okay, and you'll see it kind of comes apart. This is like super disgusting, but it looks very effective. And then we'll just peel off that top layer. Ew. Okay, so that's the fingernail, and then we just need to mark 2 knuckles. So just do a split and a straight line, and then kind of curve them a little bit. So there's 1 knuckle, and then the second one we'll put it about here. And then the final pièce de resistance. Put it in your little hot dog bun. And of course, it wouldn't be a bloody hot dog finger without the blood. So you kind of want to just splatter it across like so. There it is, bloody hot dog finger. The second one we're going to make is a BandAid replica. It's kind of disgusting, a bloody BandAid. So all you need to make the BandAid are some vanilla wafers, some white icing. It's easier if it's in a tube, squeezable icing, and then some kind of like strawberry topping or raspberry jam, raspberry jelly, something like that to imitate blood. So I've made a couple of them here just to show you what they look like. So you just get the wafer out, get the squeezable frosting, put a dot of the frosting, and then just kind of smooth it out, and this is gonna act like the white part of a BandAid. I could have used a bit more. Smooth it out, kind of in a squarish shape, and then just grab a little dollop of the red jam or topping, and that's gonna be the blood. There you go. Ooh, that's a big chunk of blood. Actually, the longer you leave the blood or the jam, it kind of coagulates and looks a bit more realistic too. So there's your bloody BandAids. The last recipe that I have for you are creepy carrot fingers. So all you need are some peeled carrots, some cream cheese, and sliced almonds for the fingernails. So I've made one here, but I'll show you how I did it. Just cut the end off the carrot, don't need that. And a little bit off the other end. And then you're just gonna cut a little notch in the carrot. About so long, because it's gonna be the bed for your fingernail. So like a little notch like that. And then grab some cream cheese. Just need a little dollop, just something for the almond to stick to. Grab almond, fingernail. Some creepy carrot fingers, and you can use them with dips and all sorts of things for your Halloween party.